All right. Trial. Everything you've been waiting for. Why you went to law school. What your client has to have to get justice. Right? You have to impanel. You have to select and impanel 12 people who will take an oath to be fair, right? To listen to all the evidence, who won't hold it against you that you've invoked your God-given right to a jury trial in the state of Texas, right? This is a God-given right, right? It wasn't given to us by the founders. It was recognized by the founders as an unalienable right. And that doesn't mean it came from outer space. It means that it's a right given by God that cannot be taken away by any rule of man. This is a critical right. It was so critical that the founders preserved it in the Constitution not once, but 3 times. Right? So this is a critical right. You cannot waive it lightly. The founders thought it was so important. Why did they think it was so important? Right? We give the number 3 has great significance in the minds of human beings, right? The Holy Trinity, any number of the pyramids, right? 3 is a very significant number, going all the way back to our earliest. So it's not insignificant that the right to jury trial is preserved 3 times in our Constitution. Do not waive it lightly. The right to jury trial is critical because you're going to get a jury panel, 38, 60, whatever it may be, 120, depending on the nature of the allegation and the publicity. You're going to get this jury panel, and from this jury panel, you're going to get 12, probably strangers, the quietest people in the room, the least opinionated people in the room, and they're going to sit in judgment of you. They're going to sit in judgment of the defendant, the accused. And that's a daunting thing. But when we think about what our founders preserved for us in our Constitution of these United States of America, and through that, the state of Texas, what was declared at Independence Hall in March